Yep.
Ivan, go ahead.
Have you ever had a headlight on a car that is just foggy and yellowish and wondered how to clean all of the yellow stuff without buying a whole brand new one? Well, today I'll be showing you some simple tools that you will be needing to restore your future headlight step by step. I have personally have had a car that has like fogginess and stuff like that. The first time I have had cleaned it was on a Nissan 2007 350Z, and well, the outcome of that was actually pretty good, and so I had to give it a second chance. So I did it on my car that I have now, the Acura TLX Tech, and well, here I am doing it again here. So I will show you what you need and how to repair the headlight and how to apply the clear coat. Uh, Sometimes when you restore headlights, you don't necessarily need to take them off from a car. You can just leave it on there. But what you will need is a clear coat. This is a protective uh, spray paint for the headlight, so the headlight doesn't go like yellowish again. Then you need your spray bottle. This just helps with scratches and stuff. Helps with when you sand the headlight and stuff. And you need your rags. The rags help with restoring it. These rags help with like oils and stuff, car oil, any type of oil. You need your 600 grit. This is a rougher grit sandpaper. And you need your 1000 grit. This is a smoother one. Then you would also need your 1200 grit. This is like the smoothest one for restoring headlights maybe. And well, I want to show you guys how to start restoring the headlight. So first, what you want to do is spray the headlight down. So at the point where you're gonna sand it, it doesn't give too much scratches to the headlight. If you want, you can just fold it so it doesn't be like too big. And some people just do it like straight across like that, but I don't know. I've heard some people do it like in circular motions and stuff. And I got some fun facts that headlights get foggy because of the sun and stuff. And some of the ways to prevent that thing is like to try possibly like, of course, like restore it, but you can also like put it like under a shade or something. Yeah, that's a way to prevent from getting it yellowish. Well, I don't know, but once you're done sanding with the 600 grit, you get some rags. Then what I do is I spray it down a little more. Just I don't know why, but I just do that. Spray it down. You get some rags. Probably need a little more. Make sure like no water, because at the end when you're gonna pour the three quart paint, you don't want to like have some drops of water with the clear coat mixed up and stuff. Then you get your 1000 grit, smoother, not the smoothest than the 1200 of course, but you get your 1000, first pour water, fold it, then circular motions again. And you spray down again. Dry it up. I prefer getting like no rags, but then you get your 1200, the smoothest one that we have right now. Fold it. Spray my water on it. Circle the motions again. Dry it up again. Then once like you actually really dry it up good, this usually takes like, I don't know, like depending on how foggy the lights are, it takes like probably 10 minutes somewhere around there. And well, you get your headlight all dried up, you get your clear coat, like I said, it's a protective spray paint. You spray it on there, you make sure like you don't spray it there for a long time, like on one spot, because it can like get thick and overload. But yeah, this is how it would look if, well, I actually had time, you know, but, and of course I can't spray the paint, this thing was on, yeah. And I have shown you the items needed, the skills to use the sandpaper properly, and how to apply the clear coat on a cloudy headlight. There are many dull headlights out there that could use a good cleaning. Maybe you should try it. Thank you for listening to my speech.